Quite exciting today because I'll be heading to DigiDirect in a city right now, and I'm gonna be getting my new a7V, the updated camera. I was tempted to get the a9 III kay global shutter, but right now I think I need the a7V. Kung na FX3 mabot nga bag-o, maybe, but I'm a hybrid shooter, so video side extra na siya, more on photos and then videos. So yeah, photos ko mainly, but if I can get both, this a7C2 is so good, but you need to go higher. Yeah, you understand. Ato ning testingan ng new a7V body under the heat of the sun on a 27-degree weather. Let's see, yeah, top's 29, but today is 27 degrees. Let's see how this goes, and we're gonna put it there. Tanaw na to pila ka minutes, hours, whatever. Yeah, kaya nindot mo ko na siya cooling compared sa previous ones, which was the same level. Okay, let's go. The way we're testing this is we're filming this under the sun, and yeah, so it's under 27 degrees Celsius, and yeah, I need to set it to 4K 50 at the moment. Let's do it again. Okay, so I just set it to 4K 50. Let me check. Yep, it's in 4K 50. Starting recording now. I already did a bit of recording, but it's under the sun, as you can see, and today's like 27 degrees. So let's see how that thing fares. So 28 degrees, 28.1 degree, and wala siya heat warning. We're around 30 minutes in. So if it's this hot, yeah, it's Remini. I don't think they're gonna go 2 hours, maybe an hour. But yeah, let's see how we go. So usa sa akong nabantayan is kaning nga part nga ri mura siya glide color. Plastic mo na siya nga cover sa good, very dark. And yeah, lain sa color sa lawas. Pero di mo na mabantayan kay pangmalmal naman eh. This is a workhorse, so yeah, first day bulad sa init dayon. Wala gyud po heat warning, 37 minutes, and it's very hot. I can feel it. I can feel it's hot. Pero muna siya. Patiks. At the moment na sa 58 minutes. So I doubt if na ay wedding magbuwad sa init more than an hour. Aw naman, but nihit naman. Most of the times magdali. Especially karong panahon na. So 28 degrees, check. 1 hour mark. I'll just leave it for a bit, see how we go. But yeah, passed the test already. So kaning kamera ha, first day pa niya, okay na kay siya kanang reputasyon na ako. I've tested this today. Ako siyang under the sun, 28 degrees, filming for an hour and a half. Like I keep on using this a7C2, which is very tiny, very good, pero pas-pas ka siya overheat. One card slot. I don't need a lot of card slot, but the thing is not actually option. This one has all the bells and whistles. Yeah, quantity siya. It is the first real cheap hybrid camera. Because other than that, if gusto kag hybrid, makashoot kag 4K 50, 4K 60, you have to go to the A1 or A9 III. Kani siya kay it can do it, and it's not supposed to be not that expensive, but it's still expensive kay na siya tanan ni sa stack sensor, good ang yang silent shutter. I know the new cameras are gonna be like awesome, but for now this is good. Dili lang ko ka ingon nga mayo gud siya, because the thing is it's my first day using this, but first impressions, it's good. I'm gonna continue using it, and yeah, di man ko kapuyam na ko maghimo ka ng mga review nga thorough kayo details and technical whatever. So we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna say any updates I'm gonna get with this camera. But for now, I can say this is a very good camera. Very good camera. Nindot po yung siya LCD. Kay naaman ko yung A1 original. So A1 2 pareha siya LCD ka nang mo flip up o mo flip side. So tanan siya ba? Pwede siya tanan. And this one does it. So that's one of the things I like about it. LCD lang. Anyway, yeah, more testing. This is not a technical thing. I don't script my first impression or whatever. And kanang no money was spent for me to do this. I'm not sponsored. This is just me vlogging. So enjoy.